Today I'll show you exactly how to enable two-factor authentication on your WordPress website using the WP2FA plugin, a simple, beginner-friendly method that instantly makes your site much more secure. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an extra layer of protection on your login screen, keeping hackers and unwanted visitors out even if someone guesses your password. Let's get your site locked down step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is install the dedicated plugin that makes this process super straightforward. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for the menu on the left that says Plugins. Click on Add New, then use the search bar in the top right and type in WP2FA. This plugin is well rated and designed specifically for two-factor authentication, so you can trust it's up to the task. Once you spot it in the results, just click Install Now, and then after a couple seconds the Activate button will appear. Go ahead and click that too. The activation process may take a second or two, but that's normal. Upon activation, the plugin goes right into helpful mode by opening up a setup wizard for you automatically. It should pop up right away, asking if you're ready to get started. This wizard is your friend. It's there to guide you through the process, so there's no guesswork. Just click the Let's Get Started button to begin. Even if you've never set up 2FA before, take a deep breath here. The prompts will walk you through everything one decision at a time. Now you'll be asked to choose your preferred authentication methods. This is where the two-factor part comes in. The most secure option is using a special 2FA app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These generate those time-limited codes only you can access from your phone. If for any reason you find 2FA apps tricky, you can also set up backup email codes. I recommend at least enabling the Authenticator app option, though having email as a fallback isn't a bad idea either. Think of this like adding an extra deadbolt to your door, one that only you hold the key to. After that, you'll be prompted to choose who on your site needs to use 2FA. If your site has multiple users like authors, editors, or contributors, you can choose to enforce 2FA just for administrators or for all users. If you're running a small site by yourself, just enforce it for administrator is perfectly fine. If you enable it for other roles, you'll also see an option to set a grace period, maybe a few days, so your users have time to set up 2FA before it becomes mandatory. This grace period helps avoid locking anyone out unexpectedly, which could turn into a support headache, so be thoughtful about the time frame you choose. Next, you'll finalize your own setup. The plugin will show you a QR code. This is what your Authenticator app needs to get linked to your WordPress account. Open your Authenticator app, tap the plus sign or add, and scan the QR code from your screen. Right away, the app should start displaying 6-digit codes. Enter the current one back into WordPress to verify everything working. If this is your first time using a 2FA app, don't worry if it feels unfamiliar. It's really just copy and paste and you'll get used to it quickly. One last crucial step, download your backup recovery codes. These might not seem important now, but trust me, if you ever lose your phone or can't access your app, these backup codes are your only ticket back into WordPress. You can usually download them as a small text file or copy them somewhere safe. Don't skip this. Think of them like a spare house key you tuck in a safe spot just in case. That's it. You've just fortified your WordPress site with two-factor authentication. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to give the video a like and subscribe for more guides like this. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I check them and I'm happy to help out if you get stuck. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.